Hey guys, for this video, we will draw anger from the Inside Out movie. Anger is depicted as a short, red-colored character with a square-shaped head and a constantly furrowed brow. He has a hot temper and is easily provoked by frustrating situations. He often reacts with fire and flames coming out of his head when Riley encounters something that angers her. Anger's primary role is to protect Riley from things that could potentially hurt her emotionally or physically. He believes in fairness and gets upset when things don't go according to plan. We're almost done. We can do this. If you like this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to support our channel. And we're done. Thank you for watching.